Welcome, my dear students, for online class from Adyan English Center for the SSC students on English second paper. Today's topic, changing sentence, Dinajpur Board 2019. Today's topic, changing sentence, Dinajpur Board 2019. Dear students, I will discuss the whole question Dinajpur Board 2019 one by one by using the rules of changing sentence. Going to next step. Dinajpur Board 2019. Read the text and change the sentences as direct. Success never comes automatically. Success never comes automatically. অর্থাৎ সফলতা কখনোই স্বয়ংক্রিয়ভাবে আসে না। We work hard to attain success in our life. আমরা কঠোর পরিশ্রম করি আমাদের জীবনের সফলতায় পৌঁছাতে। Dear students, you have to change into complex sentence. Question: is this sentence simple or compound? Dear students, how to identify is it simple or compound? Simple sentence, only one subject, one finite verb. Students notice we, subject, work, finite verb, and there is no verb in this sentence. So this sentence is simple one. Dear students, you have to change into simple to complex by using the tools. If you find 2 plus b1 in a sentence, in the simple sentence, 2 plus b1, notice my dear students, 2 plus b1. You have to come so that instead of 2, firstly you have to write we work hard. The students, you can write question A, W-E, we, W-O-R-K, work, H-A-R-D, hard. A subject plus CN, can, plus COULD, could, plus MA or may, plus might, MIGST, might. plus B1 plus OB EXT. Dear students, listen again. If you find the 2 plus B1 in the simple sentence, you have to come so that in the complex sentence. And this structure, subject can put may might plus B1 plus extension. This structure will be used after so that. Dear friends or viewers, you can write S also TACT that. You have to use subject. Dear students, notice we work hard is principal clause to attain success in our life infinitive phrase. So you have to bring subject from principal clause. We can take subject we, and then you have to use can, could, may, might. Dear students, notice the principal clause work. Here work is B1. That is to say present form. If it is present form or B1, if it is B1, if the verb is B1, you have to use can or may. If it is past B2, if the verb is B2, you have to use would or might. Dear students, you can ask me a question. Sir, how can I use can or could? Dear students, if it is known, if it is known, if it is sure, you have to use can. If it is unsure, you have to use may. That is to say, this clause, this sentence is sure, you have to use can. This sentence is, if the sentence is unsure, you have to use may. So dear students, as we know, surely, so we can use can, and this verb is B1. So we can use can, CAN, can. And then you have to use B1 verb. The students notice 2 plus B1. You have to write next part of this sentence after 2. Here next part, attain success in our life after 2. Dear students, you can write ATTAIN, attain, SUCCESS, in, OUR, hour, LIFE, life. Okay, my dear students, going to next step. Peace and prosperity is not possible without being industrious. Bengali meaning পিস মানে সুখ এবং প্রসপারিটি মানে সমৃদ্ধি। তাহলে সুখ এবং সমৃদ্ধি ইজ নট পসিবল মানে সম্ভব নয় উইদাউট বিং ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াস, পরিশ্রম বিনা বা পরিশ্রম ব্যতীত সুখ এবং সমৃদ্ধি সম্ভব নয়। মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, notice is auxiliary verb in this sentence? Yes, my dear students, is auxiliary verb in this sentence, is, and this sentence is negative. You have to change into affirmative. In this sentence, there is a keyword possible, antonym impossible. Dear students, you have to cut not. You cannot keep not in affirmative sentence. So my dear students, you can write peace to is. You can write peace to is. Peace and prosperity is. PEACE, peace, and PROSPERITY, prosperity is. You cannot keep not here because you have to change into affirmative to negative. Of course, you have to cut this word and you have to change into keyword possible, antonyms impossible. I am POSIBLE, impossible. IMPOSSIBLE, impossible. WITHOUT, without. BEING, being. INDUSTRIOUS. I hope you have stood this sentence, this rule. Peace and prosperity is impossible without being industrious. In Bengali meaning, সুখ এবং সমৃদ্ধি পরিশ্রম বিনা অসম্ভব. Going to next, see. A man who leads an idle life brings misery for his life. Dear students, Question: is this sentence is complex or compound? You have guessed. This sentence is complex because a conjunction is this sentence. Who? Dear students, notice who. And there are two principal verbs in this sentence, leads and brings. So we can go to change into simple to complex. We can come beyond plus ing instead of who. Participle, present participle phrase. You can use present participle phrase. The students, LEAD, lead, is a lead. You have to cut S and add beyond plus ing. ing, leading. ANN, IDLE, idle. You have to idle, LIFE, life. You have to use comma. You have to use comma. And the students, a man is subject. So it will be used before principal verbs. Bring, principal verb brings. A, MA and man. You can write next part of this sentence. Brings misery for his life. BRINGS, brings. MISERY, misery. FOR, for. HIS, LIFE. Dear students, in this way, you can change into simple to complex, simple to complex, and complex to simple. Going to next, Dinajpur Board 2019, question D. He can never have the people of the society. Dear students, you have to change into passive. In this sentence, is auxiliary verb in this sentence? Dear students, yes, my dear students, there is a auxiliary verb in this sentence, can. Notice, can is used after subject. Subject is used before can, before auxiliary verb, and principal verb is used after auxiliary verb. Object is used after principal verb. So dear students, here he is subject, can modal auxiliary verb, neighbor adverb, help, principal verb, the people of the society, object. Firstly, you have to object as subject. Firstly, you have to write object as subject. T. Question D. TAC, the PEOPLE, people of the SOCIETY, society. The students, next step, you have to sit auxiliary verb. Can. CAN, can. Here can is modal auxiliary verb, so extra word will be used be in this sentence, while passive be, be, extra word be. The students, neighbor is adverb, so NEVE and never, you can write never, and then you have to set, you have to sit be, and then you have to say, you have to sit, you have to use V1 instead of B3. Sorry, you have to use B3 instead of B1. Help, helped. HELPED, helped. And then you have to set up preposition by if subject is personal one, you have to use by. Subject is thing, you have to use with. Being character, you have to use at. Beside this, you can use to after no. You have to use object instead of subject. Here he, object him, HIM, him. The people of the society can never be helped by him. Such a kind of man is the burden on the society. Such a kind of man, এরূপ একজন মানুষ বা লোক, is burden on the society, সমাজের বোঝা, burden মানে বোঝা, on the society, সমাজের উপরে বোঝা. Everybody avoids him, প্রত্যেকেই তাকে ঘৃণা করে. The students, you have to change into negative to affirmative, affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative. You have to change into negative. The students, you can change into negative in two ways. Into system. Firstly, every sentence, in every sentence there is a keyword. Here keyword is adverse. So you have to change into negative keyword. You have to change into antonyms. You have to change into antonyms. Ever antonyms. Ever antonym love. You can use love. The students, firstly, you have to use nobody instead of everybody. If you find nobody, no one, none, if you find everybody, somebody, anybody, you have to use nobody instead of everybody, somebody, anybody. So, dear students, you can write Nobody. Then efforts. This is the keyword of this sentence. You have to use antonyms laughs. Lobes laughs. Him him. Dear students, you can use another formula. TACRE there is NOBODY nobody. BUT part. ABHORS efforts HIM. This rules is very interesting. This rules is very interesting. There is nobody. Dear students, if you find the formula every plus noun, you can use this formula. There is nobody dot dot. There is no plus noun dot dot. There is no plus noun plus part plus the rest of that sentence. No, there is no dot dot but. You can use this formula. You can use another formula in this sentence. Or TACRE there is NOBODY NOBODY nobody. So who DOES does ABHOR ever does not NOT does not ever HIM him. Dear students, firstly you have to write there is no plus noun. There is no plus noun. There is no instead of every. And then you have to noun after every. And if nobody, you have to use who plus negative. And the students notice this B1 plus S. So you can use does not. And you have to cut S and you can write next part of this sentence. In this way, you can solve this question E by using three formula. Dear students, See you next time. Have a good day. Till this. At last, I will request you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.